Hello everyone, this is Nicholas. So today I'm gonna show you how to set up your Windows 10 on your brand new Samsung Galaxy Book Pro. So before we start, one thing you really need to be aware of is that you need to fully charge your laptop before you first turn it on, and that is based on the recommendations from Samsung. This AMOLED display is absolutely gorgeous. The contrast between the black and white is extremely vivid. Because I'm recording this video using my cell phone, so the video quality really cannot do it justice. I think the only display on the market that can compete with Samsung's AMOLED display is Apple's Retina display. The performance of this laptop is supposed to be at the higher end, but because this is the first time we turn it on, that's why it's gonna take a couple minutes to fully load it. So the very first screen it asks you to do is to select your language, and the default is English, so I click Next. After that, Windows AI will jump in.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right? Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that? Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
So if you have Wi-Fi at home, this is where you select your network and then type in the password to connect to your Wi-Fi.
Now type your credentials. Mission accomplished. You're all linked up. Now we have some important setup to do. Now let's see what's new for Windows. Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows. Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done. Let's get an account going for you. You can use your own email address, or we can help you create a new one.
So if you don't have an email address or you simply want to create a new one to start fresh, so this is where you can get an Outlook.com email account. After that, you create your new password and then click Next. And then it will ask you for your birthday. So for security purpose, I will not recommend putting in your real birthday. After that, it's gonna ask you to provide more security information. So you have to provide either your cell phone or an alternative email address. So in my case, I don't want to give my cell phone number to Microsoft, so I just provided another email address.
Use Windows Hello to unlock your PC with just your fingerprint. It's not only faster, it's more secure than a password. Want to set that up now?
Because the power button of the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro has the fingerprint sensor, so Windows 10 detected it and will ask you whether you want to set up the fingerprint login now.
Follow the instructions to teach your PC to read your fingerprints. Want to set up a PIN?
After you set up your fingerprint, you can have the option to set up a PIN if you like.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select Accept when you're ready.
So here are some of the privacy settings. The default turn all of them on, but I usually just turn all of them off. Always keep this in mind. The more information you share with others, the less secure you are. The rule of thumb is try to be as invisible on the internet as possible.
Based on the activities you choose here, you will get a personalized experience as you set up your device.
Next, you have the option to customize your laptop based on your area of interest. You can either pick one of them or you can pick a couple of them. It's up to you.
Now let's link your phone and PC using a Microsoft app that can work some magic between your devices. We'll send you a text to get everything set up. Just type your phone number and press send.
As I mentioned before, I don't want Microsoft to have my phone number, so I'll just click Remind Me next time.
Want to automatically save files and photos to OneDrive for some added peace of mind? Your PC comes with a free 1-month trial of Microsoft 365 Family. Should we get it ready for you to use?
Nope, I'll pass.
Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
Nah, I don't think so.
Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
So at this point, the Windows will reboot by itself. It's gonna take a couple minutes, so I'm gonna just speed up the video over here. So after roughly 2 minutes, we are finally inside Windows 10. So before you get excited and start browsing the internet, make sure you go into settings and update your Windows to the latest so that you are protected from any of the most recent virus. So the Windows update will take altogether about 10 minutes and your laptop will reboot by itself multiple times. So let me just speed up the video to save your time here. So after all the Windows updates are installed, you need to manually restart the computer once. So this will take another couple minutes. So let me just speed up the video over here to save your time. Alright, we're back. So from here you can just use your fingerprint to log in and it's really fast. So there you have it, the complete setup of your Windows 10 on your brand new Samsung Galaxy Book Pro. If you are getting any value from this video, I'll really appreciate if you can just give me a thumbs up. In the next couple days, I'm gonna do a deep dive into this beautiful device. So please subscribe and stay tuned. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.